Today we're going to have a look at the second case, der Genitiv. Don't worry about this case because it's not used very often anymore because we replace it with the Dativ, which is the third case. But nevertheless, it's good to know or to understand when to use the Genitiv. Hallo und moin! When do you use the Genitiv? This is the case where you show possession and belonging. In the Genitiv, all articles change. So this is very confusing, but it's very important to know. So if it's der Hund, it changes to des, and then it also changes the noun Hundes. Or if it's die Katze, it changes to der Katze. And if it's das Kind, it changes to des Kindes. And in the indefinite article, you change ein, like ein Hund, to eines Hundes. Or eine Katze, you change to einer Katze. And the third one, ein Kaninchen, you would change to eines Kaninchens. Ein Kind to eines Kindes. And you use it after certain prepositions like trotz, während, wegen, innerhalb, außerhalb. Here are some examples. Ich bin trotz des Regens gelaufen. Here you have the preposition trotz, so you know, okay, after this one, I need Genitiv. And then der Regen is masculine, so you need to change der to des. Ich war während der Ferien in Hamburg. So Ferien is a feminine word, die Ferien, but now you have the preposition während in front of it, so you have to change it to the Genitiv. Während der Ferien. As I told you before, die is going to change to der. It's very confusing because before der was a masculine article, but now it has nothing to do with masculine because it's not the nominative, it's not the first case, it's the Genitiv, the second case, and there we need der as a Genitiv, so it has nothing to do with masculine, it's the changing of the feminine article. Another example, der Hund des Kindes ist harmlos. So you see here we have der Hund. This is the nominative because it's the subject in the sentence. So we didn't change anything. And then des Kindes. Here you have Genitiv because the dog belongs to the child. As I said before, it's now a case of possession or belonging. And that's why you use Genitiv and das Kind. So the article das is changing to des. But as I said before, nowadays we don't use Genitiv that often anymore. We use Dativ instead. So we say, der Hund von dem Kind ist harmlos. So this is the third case. You will learn more about the third case in another video. Join me on Patreon and then you will get an exercise paper and also a key. And remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about the German language. Hast es geschafft! Tschüss!